Hi, it's Learn to Job with William Jumming, and you are watching a series of video of 1000 tips of Procreate. And I just found amazing tool to get color in Procreate. And so normally, if I want to like reference a certain picture, I'll go to Pinkster and search for example, anime color pencil drawing, something like that. If I want aiming for that style, I can browse Pinkster and looking for some reference, some inspirations of colors, and then I would download that or ping that or save that into the photos folder and import that and use tap and hold and to get that color. But later I find out that in Procreate we can actually do something like this. So for example, if I think, hey, this anime got like a really good use of blue color, okay, you can go here. By the way, the split view, if you don't know how to do that, pretty simple. You just find this three dot here. You click it and click split view. If you are in Procreate, it will automatically put that into the split view, and then the right side you need to search for the application that you want to find. A personal suggestion is that use Safari so it can have more compatibility, and yeah. So as you guys can see, I use Safari and use the Pinkster's web version. Okay, so still works pretty good. Basically, if you look at Pinkster, it's just a web application that wrapped in the app or like a wrapper. It doesn't really matter because I previously a programmer, so yeah, I just want to explain this. You only need to click here and drag and put it here. You can automatically get all the color. Okay, it's really convenient. So for example, if you want more, okay, you can got this, click and drag, and you can automatically get all this color, okay, like a pinky color, something like that.